I would say that my insecurities all stem back to my skin and feeling like my bare face wasn't pretty enough, wasn't clear enough to go without makeup. And I didn't realize that there was a way to have clear, healthy skin until not that long ago. So I think the first time I became conscious of my unhealthy skin was around middle school when we all go through our awkward stage, but I felt like mine wasn't ending. I got into high school and I still had the same stress breakouts, the same blemishes, and it really hurt my self-confidence and my self-esteem, and I kind of just accepted that there was no way out. As soon as I became Miss America, I immediately felt the pressure of everyone expecting Miss America to be this perfect version of a woman. But little did they know that I have my own insecurities. A lot of that had to do with my own skin and not being confident enough to go out without makeup on, feeling like I can't go out unless I have a full face on, or else people will see what my actual skin looks like. And lacking that self-confidence really brought me down because I wanted to live up to that idea of being Miss America. I just piled on the makeup to cover up the blemishes, to help myself feel more confident. But the makeup just made my skin even more unhealthy. So when I discovered Microderm GLO and I was able to start a routine that was simple, something that I could stick to, that really renewed my skin and gave me the confidence that honestly I didn't even know I was still lacking. So during my year as Miss America, my platform was called Healthy Children, Strong America, and it was all about helping kids to develop healthy bodies and healthy minds through eating correctly and exercising. Now looking back, I wish I had also included keeping your skin healthy. We always worry about diet and nutrition for our bodies, so why don't we do the same thing for our skin? And I never thought about it that way until now, until I discovered that I can have healthy skin too. It's a choice. It's a choice to take care of your body, and it's a choice to take care of your skin, and you have to make that choice. The way your skin is now doesn't have to be the way it is in the future. I didn't think that I would ever have smooth enough, healthy enough, clear enough skin to be the ambassador of a skincare line. You can have healthy skin. Your skin does have a bright and better future. You just have to use the right products. And for me, Microderm GLO was the answer to my prayers.